Good afternoon, friends. Greetings from Anup Kelkar's Python Academy. So today we are moving towards the next problem statement, which is asked by sorry, which was asked by the FAANG company, which is based on SQL. As the name of the name suggests, the problem statement is top three salaries. So with the name of the problem statement, you will get little bit idea. We have to find out the top three salaries. Okay. So let's move to the what is the problem statement? As a part of ongoing analysis of salary distribution within a company, your manager has requested a report identifying a high earner. So your manager is requested you have to find out those employee, those who are getting high salary or those who are earning high salary for each department. Okay, we call it as a high earner within the department as defined as employee within the salary. So we have to rank according to that. Okay, among the top three salaries within that department. Okay, so your task is our task with identifying these high earners across all departments. Write a query to display the employee name along with their department and salary. In each of the duplicate, we have to sort the result of department name in descending order, then by salary in descending order. Okay. In multiple employees have the same salary, then order them according to alphabetically. Means if we have multiple employees, those who are getting same salary, so they have to sort according to their name in alphabetical order. Okay. So note is also given to us. We have to ensure that before utilizing the appropriate ranking window function, because in this question we use rank, and rank is also a window function in SQL which handle duplicate salaries effectively. Okay, let's move to what is the data. So as of June 18th, we have removed the requirement of unique salary. We don't want any unique salary. Okay, so revise the sorting order for the results. So let's see what are the which kind of schema we have given. First schema is nothing but a table name, that is employee. Within the employee we have few columns. Employee ID, which is of integer type, that is unique to each of the employee, because in company each employee is identified as their unique ID, that is employee ID. Then there may be chances name may be duplicate, but employee ID is always unique, therefore we call it as a unique employee ID. Okay, next one is the name, it is of string type. Salary, the salary of employee, again of course it is in integer form. Department ID, department ID of each employee in which department they are work. So each department is identified by their department ID, it is of integer type. Manager ID, again it is of integer type because each employee has assigned manager, so manager is also identified as manager ID. Next see we will the table. So employee ID 1, their name is Emma Thompson, their salary is 3800, they are working in department 1. Again Daniel Rogerus, it is employee ID 2, is there, his salary is 2230, again it is working on same department where the Emma Thompson is working. Third employee is Oliver Smith, whose salary is 2000, again they are working with the same department, the previous two employees. Next move to the Noah Johnson, her salary is 6800, they are working on another department, that is 2. Sophia Martinez, her salary is 17,550, sorry 1750, he is working again same department, that is 1. Liam Brown, his salary is 13,000, they are working on third department, and so on. Likewise the detail of each employees is given to us, what are their salary and in which department they are working, that should be shown by the department ID, and along with that employee ID is also given to us. Okay, next schema is department schema. So basically in department schema we have two columns, that is the department ID, again it is uh, identified as a department. Okay, again it is of integer type, and each employee has assigned department ID because each employee is working on specific department, so that department should be identified as department ID on which department employee is working, so that department ID is shows tell us this is the department where this employee is working. Okay, next one is the department name, again it is of string type, that suggests the name of employee sorry department. Let's see what are the actual data for the department table. So department 1 should be identified as data analytics, department 2 should be identified as data science. So let's see which kind of output we want. So basically we want the output we want the top 3 employees, those salary is top 3, and we have to find out their respective department name where they are working. Okay, so now I think your problem statement is little bit understood. So basically the motto behind this problem statement is we have to find out the top 3 earners in the company along with their name, and we have to also find out in which department they are working along with their top 3 salaries. Okay, so let's move to the problem and let's move to the execution. I have to scroll the left part. So now, as you all know, we have two table. First one is the employee table, second one is the department table. So that means whenever we have more than one table, so that means we have to use join here. Okay, so basically we have to rank the employee, okay, based on their salary, and salary should always be sorted in descending order, because in salary should be also sorted in descending, also salary should be arranged in higher to lower manner. So it is helpful for us to rank the employee along with their according to their salary. So for that here we use as a temporary table, that is a common table expression. Okay, the which will help to give the rank to the employee according to their salary. Okay, so let's move, we proceed for the common table expression. A common table expression is always start with the with keyword. Next we will give the common table expression name. So here we trying to give the common table expression name as in rank employee as an alias of as. This is a temporary table, wherever we use this temporary name of the table in the another query, so that time they from this common table expression we are getting some data. Okay, so here first we will select column. Okay, first we will select the column from mm, employee name, yeah, employee table. So here we are trying to give the as a table alias, that is the e, sorry, e. Next we were trying to join next table name is okay, department. Okay, so again we are giving the alias as d. So department table should be identified as d because it is a table alias. So now we are trying to join on matching key. So the matching key is department id is common in both the columns, so according to that, that should be match department ID from the employee table. It is already matched with the department ID of department table. Okay, so now here we are trying to rank the salary. So for that we have maintained the join operation. So now we have to identify based on these two table which kind of column name we want. So we want column name from the employee salary employee tables. For that e dot employee, because he is a employee table. Next we want department name from department table. For that we will use department alias, that is a d department id. Next we want employee salary. So for that we are getting the salary column from the employee table, and employee alias is e. So okay, wait, salary, yeah. So now here we using rank function. Okay, why we are using rank function? Because rank function is used to rank the employees within each department on their salary a. That should be salary should be arranged in descending order. So for that we are using the employee salary as DESC, that is the descending order. Okay, so for that first we have to use rank function here. Actually rank is a window function which is one of the most important function in SQL. So we are trying to apply the rank function on specific column. So for that we have to first partition the data. So for that we are writing here partition, and we are partition the data with a specific column, and that specific column is here department ID from the employee table. Okay, so now we are trying to order the data. For that we are using here order by clause, that should be arrange the employee salary in descending order. So we are getting a salary from employee table. So for that we are using alias as e, sorry, e dot salary, that should be arranged in descending order. Okay, afterwards we are getting employee name, that should be arranged in ascending order. So for that we are getting the employee name from e, that is a alias of the table employee, that should be arranged in ascending order. Okay, and this table alias has been given as a name as salary rank. Okay, as salary rank. Okay, so now we had completed our common table expression. So now we are writing one more query which through which we are getting the actual output, and the logic is written in the common table expression. So now we are writing the actual query, that is select from where we are getting the column from temporary table. So what are the temporary table name here? So the temporary table name is a rank employee. What is the rank employees is the table areas. So what we want from the table here at the end of the output, we want department name. So I think we have to copy from here. It is easy for us because it avoids the spelling mistake. Okay, next we want name. Okay, so next we want salary. Okay, so now we want those employee whose salary rank is less than 3. So for that we are using here where clause, where the salary rank is less than equal to 3. Now we have to order their data by using order by clause. So we have to sort the department name in ascending order. So for that we are written here department name ASC. We sort the salary in top 3 salaries. So for that we have to sort the salary in descending order, and we want the names that should be arranged in ascending order. So for that we are written here ASC. So likewise we had completed our query. So from here we are getting the department name and salary from the common table expression, that is the temporary table name of the temporary or common table expressions rank employee. From here we are getting the name and department ID and salary that should be partitioned, and that should be ordered in descending order. Salary should be ordered and name should be ordered in ascending order. So from here we are getting those employee name and department name and salary whose salary rank is less than equal to 3. That means 1, 2 and 3. We want those details from those salary rank is less than 3, and we are getting the salary rank from this common table expression while applying the window function rank and partition on specific column. And we will sort the department name in ascending order, salary in descending order, and name should be ascending order. So likewise now we will try to run. So line number 3 had some got error. So what is the error here? Some error is there, I think. But again we are getting some error. We have wait for a moment. I have to check where is the error here. Okay, so I think I have to check here where is the error. Okay, so I think common table expression name is ranks employee as select e name department name e salary rank over rank should be maintained with the over. So I have to wait for a moment. Wait, we have to write here department name here. Okay, we want department name. For that I have to write here department name. I think it is now correct. Again they are saying some error there. Okay, wait, I have to check. Order by e salary. Salary should be arranged in descending order. Alias name should be given as in salary rank. I hope now it is good. I have to run it. Again they are saying column department ID does not exist. Where in employee table department ID is not there. No. Partition by department ID. In employee table I think department ID is there. So here some I have got some error in line number 14 also. In line number 14 we got error. I think now it is correct. Again they are saying department ID, department ID does not exist in. You have to pass. You are using uppercase letter in name to specify the SQL query. Line number 14. Again we are getting some error here. Wait for a moment. I have to. I think so. Let's see what is the problem here. Let me compare with the solution here. Select name, salary here. Okay. Department ID. I think so. Let's write ID here. Department ID, order by salary, desk as. Okay, salary. Hmm. Let's see if they are showing the correct suggestion here while we running. So we have copy this one. So we are getting here the salary where likewise. So I have to, let me repeat once, where we are getting some of the salary here. So here we are getting the name of those employee, those who are high earner for each department. We got the top 3 earners for each department here. So let me again, once again I have explained. So basically we have to find the top 3 earners for each department. So for that we are creating here common table expression, that is our name, rank, salary. So we are here from the rank, salary, we are try to give, select the 3 column, that is name, salary, department name. For that we are using here window function as a dense rank, which will select the specific portion of your table, and they will try to partition your table according to that. They will give you the rank. So we were partition the table from according to their department ID, where we are sorting their salary in descending order. Okay, and we will give the table alias for that as a ranking from employee table. Once we completed our common table expression, is that is the rank, salary, sometimes we call it as a temporary table. So now we move to the actual query, so where we are trying to perform the inner join on two table, that is a common table expression and department. So we were giving the alias to the common table, that is the rank, salary as S and department should be D, and we want the department name from the department table. So for that we are using table alias as, instead of department we are using D dot department name. We are getting the name from rank, salary, we are getting the salary from rank, salary, and we are try to first write the matching key. So matching key should be where the depart as on inner table, inner join, it suggests we have to write the matching column on the two table which is common in both the one. So department id is common in both the table, so for that we are trying to join the department id from rank salary and the department id from department wherever it is equal or match. So wherever we want the ranking, we get ranking from the rank salary where we are using the window function dense rank. We want those employee whose rank is less than or equal to 3, so that it assume the rank 1, rank 2 and rank 3. So that will give you the some output department name and salary, but that department name should be arranged in ascending order. Salary should be ascending, sorry, salary should be arranged or sort in descending order. Name should be arranged in ascending order. Okay, so if you see, so salary should be arranged in ascending order. Okay, and name should be arranged in a ascending order in alphabetical way, and salary should be arranged in descending order. So likewise we are getting the expected output for this problem statement. So we are getting the top three earners for each department. So primarily we have basically in our data set we have three department: data analytics, data engineer and data science. Okay, so from the data analytics, okay, so the top three earners are Olive Smith, Amelia Lee, James Anderson and Emilia Thompson. So there are the top three their salary, because Emilia Lee and Jen Anderson they are earning the same salary, that is a 4,000. Therefore, it will be ranked as in second, and the third rank should be given to the Emilia Thompson. Those who are working department and data analytics, they are earning the 3,000. These are the first department. Next department is data engineering. Leah Brown, they are earning 13,000. Data engineer they are earning 12,500. Data engineering Isabel Wilson they are earning 11,000. These are the top three earners from the data engineering departments. Next top three earners from the data science department, that is the Logan Murray who's earning 8,000. Chariot Miller they are earning 7,000. Neon No Johnson they are earning 6,800, and the same salary that should be earned in data science, that is a William Davis. So both these employee that should be ranked as in 3. So these are the top three earners for each department, and respective names should be given to us. So I hope you will get little bit idea about it. If you have any problem regarding this question, you can comment us. Thank you. This is up to today. Have a nice day.